Hey guys, so in this clip you'll see that I've added already on my tips. I actually added stiletto tips to my nails and I cut the very ends of them to create a coffin look. So here I am using Glam and Glitz monomer. I believe that's like the 16-ounce bottle. Really lasts a long time. A little goes a long way. The brush that I actually have is a Kolinsky number 10. And the colors that I'm going to be using, they're actually from Mia Secrets. So I'm going to be using an orange, pink, and a yellow. The pink one is actually called Ice Cream. These polymers are very, very pigmented, so you do not need a whole lot. What I did first after putting my tips on, I actually added clear to my nails so that when I want to do a fill-in, I can just, drill the colors off and it'll come off easily. It won't be like painted or tainted or stained to my fingernails. So that's what you want to do when you know that you're going to be giving yourself, fill-ins. You don't want to start with a color on your nails. You actually want to put down a clear first and then put the color over it so that it's easy to take off whenever you want to add on another color. So again, I didn't have to use a whole lot of these colors because, like I said, they're very pigmented. On my ring finger, I'm actually creating like a marble. So I'm not going to put a whole lot of the colors on there. I'm just going to kind of like marbleize them in. And you guys will see what it looks like at the end. This one is basically it's an orange, and that's what it's called, orange. I've noticed that when you add these colors on, you do have to go over them like a second time, just to make sure that you're not brushing away any product. And sometimes, they'll have some spots where you can see through it, and you don't want to be able to see through your polish or your acrylic. So again, these are acrylic colors. These are not polishes. These are acrylic colors. So my pinky finger is yellow, and I believe that one is called banana, because it's not like a vibrant yellow. It's more like a yellow orange, so to speak, or a dark yellow. But as you can see there, my ring finger is a little bit marbleized. So here I'm using Mia Secrets Cover Beige, and that's going to be the nude part of my finger near my cuticle area. So I'm going to add that. I'm making it sort of like an ombre. Yeah, it's like an ombre look. So the cuticle area of the nail is going to be nude, and then the other rest of the fingernail is those colors. So as you can see, I do have two different hands. I always do that. I added some black, like a black slant, to one of my hands where the ombre is, and I tried to mimic the picture like I, seen it. And so here I've actually added my rhinestones to give it more of a, I guess, a popping, blingy type of look. I had picked up some cotton balls and the lint got on my hand. So here you just see me, putting my oil all over my fingers. You definitely want to do that method. Put the oil over your fingers once you're done, so everything is nice and shiny, and it's just a pretty look. I I love doing this look. I always do different nails on one hand. It's rare that you'll see me with the same, look on both hands. Other people, I'll definitely do the same on them, but for my clients. But for me, I always want to do one hand different from the other, just because you know, I'm complicated, I guess. But anyway, I love them, and I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. I will have a few pictures at the end, and I hope you guys come back and see more of my videos. Bye.